How far now, my people? As I dey enjoy my Lipton tea, make una join me, make we hear the truth together. One chapter wey go change our life.
Matthew chapter 14. That time, Herod wey dey rule hear about Jesus, so he come tell him servants,
This na John the Baptist, wey wake up from death. Na him make am get power to do all this miracle.
Before this time, Herod don arrest John put for prison because John dey accuse am say
he marry Herodias wey be him brother Philip wife.
Herod come get mind to kill John, but he dey fear the people because dem believe say John na prophet. So for Herod birthday, Herodias daughter dance well well come make Herod happy. So tey Herod swear say he go give am anything wey he ask for. Just as him mama tell am, the girl come ask,
Give me John the Baptist head for tray.
The thing pain the king well well, but as he don swear and because of the people wey come the party, he come command make dem go kill John. So he send him soldiers go cut John head for inside prison. Dem bring the head for tray come give the girl, and he carry am go give him mama. Then John disciples come carry him body go bury, and dem go tell Jesus wetin happen. When Jesus hear wetin happen, he comot there enter boat go where people no dey. But when people from different town hear where he go, dem come follow am. As he come down from the boat, he see plenty people, so he sorry for dem come heal all the people wey no well among them. When evening reach, him disciples come meet am say,
This place na desert, and dey don dey dark. Make you send these people go find food buy for themselves inside the village.
Jesus answer,
Dem no need to go. Make una find something give dem chop.
dem come tell am,
Na only 5 bread and 2 fish we get for here.
Jesus answer dem again.
Make una bring the bread and fish come.
Then he tell the people make dem sit down for the grass. He take the 5 bread and 2 fish face heaven come thank God. After he don thank God, he share the bread give him disciples make dem give the people. All of them chop belle full, and when dem gather the food wey remain, e reach 12 baskets. The people wey chop na about 5,000 men, even though dem no count women and children join. After Jesus send the people go their house, he come tell him disciples make dem enter boat cross go the other side. After the people don go, Jesus come climb go mountain go pray. He stay there go reach evening. By this time, the boat don go far from land. Strong wave come dey carry the boat up and down because heavy breeze dey blow. For early morning, Jesus come dey waka go meet him disciples on top the water. When the disciples see am dey waka on top water, fear catch dem. Dem come dey shake dey shout,
Na ghost o!
But Jesus come tell dem,
Make una heart strong. Na me. Make una no fear.
na him Peter come answer,
Oga, if na you true, come make I come meet you for the water.
so Jesus come tell am.
Come.
Peter come comot from the boat, dey waka on top the water go meet Jesus. But when he see as the breeze strong well well, fear catch am, and he come begin sink. So he shout.
Oga, save me o!
At once, Jesus come stretch him hand catch am. He come tell am,
Your faith too small. Why you dey doubt me?
when the two of them don enter the boat, the breeze come stop. Then the other disciples for the boat come bow down for Jesus front, worship am say,
True, you be God pikin.
when they don cross the river go the other side, they come land for Gennesaret. When the people for there know say na Jesus, dem send message go all their village. Then they come bring all their sick people come meet am. They beg am say,
Make the sick people touch your dress.
and all of them wey touch am come well.
How far now, my people? With time, una like this